Subscribers and my viewers, welcome back. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. I have a mango here. Start eating it already. But guys, the mango is so sweet. What is mango name again? Julie. This is Julie, Jamaican Julie mango. Alright, so guys, say do what?
Not Julie as the name, Julie as Julie mango.
So you see, I'm going to peel it off, guys. I'm going to eat it. Okay? When it's small, you just bite it like just bite it like this. Okay? Guys, it is so sweet. One piece? You can get piece. So now I'm going to peel off the skin like this. I'll show you how we eat mangoes in Jamaica. Guys, it's so sweet. You have to drink a lot of water. So very nice. And let me know if you know Julie. This is wonderful. And guys, then it was in the fridge. So it's just cool and nice. And then I peel it off like this, guys. So I'm just peeling it off. Guys, I'm still in Jamaica enjoying the mangoes. Can you see? Look at it, guys. Let's cut it off like this. Okay. But have to be careful that the knife don't cut you. Look at it. And cut off the bottom of it. And it is so sweet. This. Dad? Dad? Go shower. Cut it, guys. And I'll show you how we eat mango in Jamaica. It is so sweet. Put it in some water. In some warm water. Guys, Jamaican mango. You can see? I'm saying you can't survive at Jamaica anymore.
What do you mean?
If you come out from there and your foot is like that, you can't survive again. I'm gonna take care of it. Guys, look at the mango. I'll show you how we eat Jamaican mango. Sometime after we finish this, the mango seed is white. Then I take care of your foot. Yeah. Let me know if I saw you eat your mango. I'm just going to eat one and no more. And drink a bottle of water after this. Look at this. White. Sometime after I eat this, I eat the skin. I will eat it. When it's plenty in season, we don't eat the skin. But when it's not plenty, we eat the skin. Look at this. We're not going to swallow this. We're going to eat what is in it. Hey, Shanika, why don't you put your foot in the hot water?
I just relax. Need to relax.
Put your foot in the hot water.
It a jar down.
No, dragon.
I relax. We need to relax.
And hang it down like that. Guys, look at this. So we do it. Yes, guys, I have a small one here. This is number 11. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if it's good. See, as in maggot, a worm. Still good. I cut it out. And see, this one is not as sweet as the other one, but sweet, but not so sweet like the first one. Should I auntie you calling? And you don't know, so she going to church. You forget? But you not call her. Me not call her on Sunday. Look at it, guy. Number 11. So guys, thank you for subscribing, and remember to subscribe to get a piece of my mango. And big up yourself, and bless up yourself, and take care of yourself. Alright? I'm showing you how I'm eating my mango. And then after this I have a bottle of water. Guys, when I go back to Canada, mango like these, are not gonna get them to eat. But this is it, guys. Mango skit, see? This is how we eat mango in Jamaica. Alright? Look at it. Sweet mango. So, big up yourself and take care of yourself. And remember to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend about my cooking channel. Alright, love you guys, and you take care of yourself. It's a pity I can't bring a mango for you. I can't give each of you a mango. Alright, but our mangoes in Jamaica, they are very, very sweet. Alright, let me know if mangoes in your country is sweet like the Jamaican one. Alright, so pick up yourself and tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Love you guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a blessed day.